Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll explore the supplier section in Travel Boost. The supplier section serves as your centralized directory for managing supplier relationship, alright? Whether you're working with hotels, airlines, DMCs, transportation companies, or activity providers. This section helps you organize supplier information, manage contracts, monitor spending, track payments, and analyze supplier performance all from one place. So, when you open the supplier section like this, the first thing you'll see is a supplier directory dashboard. So, at the top is the command center. Here, command center, which gives you a quick overview of your supplier network. So each dashboard card is has total suppliers. So displays the total number of suppliers currently registered. Of course, the gold tier, which shows how many suppliers are considered your top rated partners. Okay, so the contract expiring, of course, it's like you know which suppliers contracts are about to expire. Payables outstanding, here displays the total amount you still owe your supplier. And this month spent shows how much your business has spent on suppliers this month. Active active rather RFQs are displays all the active requests for quotations currently in the progress. Allotment lows, here the alerts you when supplier inventory is running low, so you can replenish availability before booking are affected. Okay, so on the upper right, you'll see the import here, which lets you upload multiple supplier at once. And of course, the analytics and RFQ that gives you quick access to supplier reports and quotation requests rather. And of course, the new suppliers allows you to manually add a supplier. Okay. So below are the several navigation tabs. You'll see here the directory, which is display all the suppliers. Of course, the calendar here. Hang on. The calendar shows contract renewals and supplier schedules. Of course, the business intelligence here. You'll see the geographic distribution, of course, the performance leaderboard, AVG, health, top performance, watch list, and of course the blacklist. Spend by supplier type, negotiation hints, top performers, watch list, and blacklist. Hang on. And of course, the RFQ queries, which you can manage quotation requests. Of course, you can click add this one and the new price request. Of course, the title, of course, the destination, service type, packs, of course, the date, valid until, of course, you can have notes that will be visible to your supplier. And of course, here are the suppliers. You will select that, and after that, you will send to suppliers and it will redirect to your supplier. And here for the directory is where you'll spend most of your time. By the way, you can search suppliers here. You can filter, of course, the status, active or inactive. You can filter the tiers as well. You can filter by the supplier categories such as hotels, DMC, airlines, and transfers. So this makes it easy to find exactly the supplier you're looking for. And by the way, hang on, let's open one supplier here. I'm gonna show you something. So let's open this. I'm an airport transfer. So here you'll see the details of your supplier. And by the way, you also notice that every supplier here has a health score. So the health score helps measure the overall performance and reliability of each supplier based on different business factors. You'll see here. So it gives you a quick way to identify the strongest suppliers and recognize vendors that may require additional attention. So here, you'll see, of course, the rate stability, payment health, of course, the response time, document validity here. Of course, booking trends as well, you see here. It's also had total contracts, active allotments, payables, spend YTD, which is this one. And one of the um, great tool here is the supplier portal. Okay, so you'll see the portal is active. So this one is gives the supplier secure mobile access to their RFQs, contracts, and payables. So let's open the link. Open the link here. So by the way, every supplier has access to their own supplier portal. So through the portal, they can receive RFQs, submit quotations up as well, view contracts, monitor payments, communicate with your agency as well. So this keeps supplier communication organized without giving them access to your main travel boost account. Sounds good, right? Of course, you can also submit your rate here where you can have service name, of course, the price, the currency, and you can add notes for more details. Okay, so let's go back in here. And also, there's a margin, commission as well, and the financial in every suppliers that you will open. Okay, of course. By the way, you can also add logo to that. Of course, you can upload logo by choosing file. You can save that or you can remove that. Okay, so let's go back in here. Now that you are familiar with the supplier features and dashboards, we will now be moving on to the creating your first supplier tutorial. Thank you for watching and we'll see you on the next tutorial.